So many challenges come, right? Many difficult situations come. Uh, if the same question is asked to me, my answer is the different types of issues happen in the team. It can be related to products from the customer side or from the distributor side, or it can be related to the rank, or it can be related to the product ordering, right? Sometimes some mistakes happen while ordering the products, right? Can you hear me? Yeah, okay, thank you. And
Yes.
sometimes our business associates, our team members, their personal or individual some problems, and very, very crucial, the ego clash between team members. That may also happen, yes or no? Because different people, different from different culture, different background, different belief system, different attitude, different behavior, right? So, as a strong leader, it is our responsibility, our duty to take all these different type of people together towards a common goal. That's very, very crucial. Very, very important to become successful. Because Indus Viva business, it's not an one-man show. It's not an individual opportunity. It's a team work. It's a team opportunity. So, no. So, for simple example, what I can say, if you have watched it or not watched it, watch once again the movie called Chuck Day India. Then you'll understand what's my point. The players ego clash, different problems, no unity, nothing. From that situation, the coach developed that unity feeling, solved the issues, and helped the players to play united and win the championship. Right. So that the same thing we have to do. So today's my topic. It's about the problem solving. The problem solving. Skip what there are a lot of points regarding that, but as our time is very limited, a few points I want to share with you because it's very, very important. Very, very, very important. Of course, problems may come because we are human, right? Uh, indusviva is suitable for all, but all are not suitable for indusviva, right? Some people are very much suitable for indusviva before coming to indusviva. Some people are, some people, even though they are not suitable for indusviva before indusviva, after coming through this vibrant Viva education system, they will change or themselves to be suitable for Indus Viva, right? And some people, इतना effort हम किया तो भी suitable नहीं होगा. Headache, yes or no? Right, we have to deal that situation also. That's why once my upline leader, my sponsor, Jivan sir once told, अरे बाप रे, कितना problems. ये problem solve करना है तो weekly 2.5 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए, ज्यादा पैसा चाहिए. उतना headache आएगा, right? So, but taking the team or leading the team towards the common goal, all the members together, it's very crucial, right? So, primary thing is, the point which I'm going to tell is not just for Viva, even for life as well, right? I think I have shared it earlier. Still, once more, you can recollect it. Can you just hold your palm like this in front of your face, in front of your eyes. And what you have to do is, through the gaps of the fingers, look at me. Through the gaps of the fingers, look at me. Can you see me? Yes. But while you see me, look at me, can you clearly see your fingers? No, right? It's unclear. Now, look at your fingers. Hold like this. Once more, hold like this. Now look at your fingers. Can you see me clearly? No, but you can see the fingers very clearly. Right. So the message from that is, where we focus, that is visible. This is obstacle, this is challenge, this is problem. If you are looking at the problems, problems will be very clear, close to you. At that time, the solution is unclear or the target is unclear. When you look at the solution, problem is nothing. Problem is unclear. So in order to solve the problems, the different types of problems that may come, we should focus on solutions rather than focusing on problems. But as serious leaders, we should understand what is a problem is. Then only we can find the solutions. All right. And the most important step is that there may be problems. We can expect it, but still we have to educate the team regarding each and every aspect. Right. In order to educate the team, we should utilize all the facilities provided by company, leaders, and all that. Right. Product knowledge, KYP is there, right? And like that, different solutions or different facilities. And rank, what is the criteria for the smaller rank, especially the more mistakes happen in smaller ranks, right? If one VR needs to become a VBO, that criteria you know, right? And the most important point is that 2 products for single customer. There may come many cases. Sir, that mobile number repeated, sir. Yes or no? That happens. But as leaders, we should very seriously educate the team, because a little bit care will help to not raise that problem. Yes or no? So educate the team regarding that criteria. Be very careful about it. While ordering, what we have to be very careful. And what are the possible mistakes may happen. If we tell that in advance, they will be very careful. Right. So in that way, make the team members to solve or to do it properly in order to avoid the problems. Right. That step is very crucial. And again, if some problems happened, it can be ego clash between the 2 members, right? It can be ego clash between 2 members or whatever it is, The one point what we need as serious leaders is analytical thinking. We should have developed an analytical thinking capabilities. What does it mean? We have to assess that complex situation. What is the situation? We should evaluate what is the situation. What is the root cause for that problem? we should have the ability to identify the root cause for that problem, and we should find the solution for that, right? And in order to analyze it, to find the root cause, identify the root cause, we have to think from three sides: party 1, party A, party B, and from the third person's angle. First person's angle we have to think, second person's angle we have to think, and a third person's angle also we have to think, right? Just like a judge in the court, hear from both sides, right? And the judge will think himself as well, right? And so we should have an analytical thinking capability, right? So that's very, very crucial. And second, another point is that we should have a strategic vision. We should have a strategic vision, and it's a one step ahead. It's a point, a quality one step ahead. That means anticipate the challenges, right? As somebody told that as long as people are alive, problems will be there, right? So anticipate challenges, but proactively develop plans to avoid it, because we are people with the principle that prevention is better than cure, right? So we have to proactively develop plans to avoid the challenges. And 2024 is coming, right? Of course, our company has different or new strategies, of course, that will elevate the business from present height to bigger heights. So definitely speed will be very high, growth will be very high, no doubt. So we have, there may be some challenges with that, right? Among the people, we have to anticipate it, and proactively in advance, we have to develop some plans to overcome that, right? In our language, we tell that if one dog is running, right? Some people will take stone and throw to that dog, running dog. To running dog, we should not throw straight to the dog. That will pass by. It will not hit. We have to throw a little bit ahead. Then only the moving dog, and if we throw towards this, it will collide. The stone will hit, right? Like that, proactively we have to plan something to solve the problems. And in order to solve the problems, we should have effective communication skills, no doubt. And in order to develop that effective communication skills, of course, listening is very, very important, right? Listen very calmly. Patience is very, very important, right? Mutton soup is good for health. Very good for health, mutton soup, right? It is told that patience is just like mutton soup. Patience. We have to, without any anger or without any emotions, we have to listen people very carefully. That is very crucial when two people come to you, solve the problems. When we listen to them, aram se, one by one, in that moment, they may talk together, quarrel together. Don't allow that, right? Strictly, one person at a time, listen very carefully, then next person chance. Like that, very calmly we have to listen. That itself will bring down their emotions. They'll become cool, calm and quiet. Half of the problem solved. Right. So that is very, very important. Listen very carefully and communicate. And it is always better we speak the last. After both of them speak, we should speak last. Right. That is always better. Right. And we have, we should have the ability or quality or skill of adaptability. Adaptability. In the sense that maximum to avoid the problems, some situations may come which are not in our control. Right. And with that new unexpected situations, sometimes if we go with the same strategy which we have followed, there may problems come. Right. So we should have the ability to quickly adapt to the new situations. One simple example is this COVID and what happened. Right. Those who quickly adapted this digital technology and used it, we survived. Yes or no? Even in my team also, some people, those who could not adapt to these new situations, they left VIVA. Right. So it's very, very crucial. It's very, very important. Right. So adaptability to the new circumstances or new situations, we should be, as leaders, we should be very flexible. We should be very, very flexible, and that will help to solve the unexpected situations or unexpected challenges very quickly. And another important point is conflict resolution. Conflict resolution. Problems here, solution chahiye, right? And solution should not be favorable to one person. Solution should be common, right? Our primary target should be how can we clear their minds and bring them together and work together. That is our primary solution, right? So we should have a that first point I told, no, analytical thinking. How can I take both of them together? That should be our primary solution. So for that, we should have that conflict resolution strategies and deal the situations diplomatically. Deal the situations diplomatically. One example, diplomatically dealing means we have to please both parties, right? When this conflict happens, issue happens, when one person and the second person have different opinions, that will not go together. There the conflict happens, right? But we have to please both parties. That is very, very important. Once when one of the richest businessman in Kerala, Mr. M.A. Yusuf Ali, owner of Lu Groups, and when he was interviewed, the interviewer asked him, which is your political party? Which is your political party, or which party you support? What a dangerous question for a businessman. Yes or no? What answer he will give? If he specifically tell about one political party, that will affect his business. Yes or no? So, what answer he gave is, that is the intelligent one. He told that which party the people select in election, that is my party. Which party the people select in election, that is my party. What Narendra Modi ji will think, he is my person. What Congress wala will think, M.A. Yusufil is hamara aadmi, my person. And different political parties, they think that Mr. M.A. Yusufil is supporter of us. Right? Everybody is happy. And no such damages for M.A. Yusufil as a businessman. So deal the situations diplomatically. That is very, very important to resolve the conflict. Right? And always have an attitude of empathy. Always have an attitude of empathy. What is empathy? What is sympathy? Oh, that problems happen. Oh, what will do? Showing that nothing will happen. No use for both parties. Right? Sympathy is a crime in business. We, as leaders, we should show empathy. Empathy means, okay, these are your problems. I understand the problems, my dear. These are your problems. I understand that. And these are the solutions. That is called empathy. Understand the problems and give the solution. That is called empathy. Right? So we should be a person with empathy. Right? And in that way, we should deal the situations, educate the people about the value of this opportunity, the value or the changes that can bring this opportunity in our life, and always educate the people. As it is a God's blessed opportunity, we should get the blessing from the God. Yes or no? In order to become successful. And in all religions, in all the religious books, two qualities are taught. One is gratitude, second is forgiveness. That is God's blessed qualities. Yes or no? Those who follow that, gratitude and forgiveness, those who follow that 100%, they will get the blessing from the God, no doubt. So impart that value of that qualities to the people. In that way, we should be a problem solver, and in that way we can be closely attached to the people, and they will always keep us in their heart. Right? And be a quality leader. A quality leader can become successful in a quality opportunity. All the best. God bless you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, Rajesh Kumar sir.